Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a is equals to 1 plus b square and b is equals to 1 plus a square, and here a not equals to b, and we will find out the value of a cube plus b cube. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we subtract equation number second from 1, then in left hand side a minus b, this is equals to this plus 1 and here minus. Then this plus 1 and this negative 1 is cancel out, and here plus b and here minus a, b minus a, and here plus b square minus a square. If we take all the expression in same side, then a minus b plus a minus b plus a square minus b square is equals to 0. A plus a, that is 2 times a, minus b and here negative b, that is minus 2 times b, plus a square minus b square, that is a plus b times a minus b, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common 2, then 2 times a is divided by 2, then a minus 2 times b is divided by 2, then we get minus b, and plus a plus b times a minus b. If we take common a minus b, then a minus b is common, then here 2 plus a plus b, and this is equals to 0. Product of two expressions, product of two algebraic expression is 0. So it means a minus b is equals to 0, or 2 plus a plus b is equals to 0. Then here a is equals to b, and here a plus b is equals to minus 2. But it is given a not equals to b. So this case is rejected and this case is accepted. A plus b is equals to minus 2. A plus b is equals to minus 2. Now if we add both the equations, then in left hand side a plus b, this is equals to, and in right hand side 1 plus 1, 2, b plus b square plus a square. 1 plus 1, 2, b plus a plus b square plus a square, and a plus b is equals to minus 2. So a plus b is replaced by minus 2, this is equals to 2, plus a plus b is replaced by minus 2, and plus b square plus a square. Then this plus 2 and this minus 2 is cancelled out, so a square plus b square is equals to negative 2. Now students, we know that the algebraic identity of a plus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, and a plus b is replaced by negative 2. So here negative 2 square, this is equals to a square plus b square is negative 2. Here negative 2 plus 2 times a b. In left hand side negative 2 square is 4, and this negative 2 if we take in left hand side, then here positive 2, and this is equals to 2 times ab. In left hand side 6 is equals to 2 times ab. If we divide both side 2, then in left hand side 6 divided by 2, then we get 3, and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, so here a times b is equals to 3. And here we will find out the value of a cube plus b cube. We know that the algebraic identity of a cube plus b cube, this is equals to a plus b is multiplied by a square plus b square minus ab. We know that value of a plus b is negative 2, and value of a square plus b square is negative 2, and a times b is 3. So here negative 2, negative 3, that is negative 5, and negative 2 times negative 5, that is 10. So our value of a cube plus b cube is 10. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.